Villagers accuse police department behind the custodial death of Dipendra Phangcho at Hamran District Jail on 14th of December. Two people died after a car brutally met an accident at Hanjang Langso on 13th of December. KALU gears up for the 5th Foundation Day cum National Labour Conference on 2nd and 3rd of January 2023. Good morning viewers, you are watching KAL Live English Prime Time. Lad Dipendra Phangcho was arrested by the police with an accusations of metal thief at Chinthong, Singdoloi. He was a resident of Rongkarbi, Rongphar village, Chinthong, falling under the jurisdiction of Wothat-Langso Police Station, West KAL District. His physical fitness was examined thoroughly at Baithalangso Hospital before he was finally brought to Hamran District Jail on 13th of December. And on 14th of December, around 3 a.m. early morning, lad Dipendra Phangcho was taken to the hospital after his health deteriorated mysteriously. The death of lad Dipendra Phangcho had baffled the family members and villagers, as he was under police custody since the day he was arrested. Not even a day had passed after lad Dipendra Phangcho was taken to Hamran District Jail. He was then brought to Hamran Sub-Divisional Civil Hospital after his health condition deteriorated mysteriously, which consequently resulted to his death. Sika Hansepi, wife of lad Dipendra Phangcho, and family members accused police department of Wothat-Langso to be behind the custodial death of lad Dipendra Phangcho. Sika Hansepi, while speaking to us, informed that lad Dipendra Phangcho was arrested at Singdoloi. He was a driver and the only loan earner of the family. Wothat-Langso Tata Mobile Truck Driver Association informed that he was forcefully dragged by the metal thieves and the reason behind is still not yet known. He was innocent and doesn't have any connection with the thieves. To prevail justice over his death, family members and Wothat-Langso Tata Mobile Truck Drivers Association staged a protest in form of Hamran Police Station.
Justice kapalong ni pan eltama hana long dam nang kok po usi pan arjudam nang kok konda awang li pan same suspension tipiko i pan sinang tuma hian pan tuning rilo.
Ni penan han bang ni gari tum hang pon lo gari solai pinang mati.
Kona lo ke hang pon.
Kona lo ne ke hang pon ni ta chin ne ke bhara ke dun mati bang bhara se ke hang pon mati.
Topia gari lo ke veke.
Kata mobile.
Tata mobile. Dangwan dead pen Latumbang ko pitong kipilone ke teng ke chok pelone ko pilone seta hadak pen latum han nang ako jelong wan chula sodak ke wan hor bang ke ladak jel nang le rok pit adha ghonta bak sidolo puladak 30 minutes bak sidolo masi ang lipan ba keso lap somsi peklang lo mat hospital pon lo alom so da pilgang galang ache theve dalopu.
Daniel in his report from Hamran for KAL Live. On 13th of December, around 9:30 p.m., two people died after an Alto model car made a brutal accident at Hanjang Langso near Little Star School, falling under the jurisdiction of Bokajan Police Station. As per the sources, it was reported that a white Alto model car bearing registration number AS01BA9175 was heading towards Dimapur from Karimganj with a galloping speed, which consequently overturned from the road and bumped into a tree roadside along National Highway 39. The driver of the car, identified as Anwar Hussain from Bodopur, Karimganj district, died on the spot while his co-passenger lost his life midway to the hospital. Local residents of Hanjang Langso tried to save the victims by calling 108 emergency service, but the ambulance could not reach the spot on time. Hence, Bokajan police was called for help. To identify of the co-passenger is not yet known. Bokajan police informed that the mortal remains of the deceased were sent to Dipu Medical College for post-mortem reports and the car was brought to Bokajan Police Station. Anante Rang's report from Bokajan for KAL Live. KAL Labor Union is all set to observe its 5th Foundation Day on 2nd of January and National Labour Conference on 3rd of January 2023. With a vision to unite all the laborers of KAL under one platform, an organization known as KAL Labor Union (KALU) was established on 2nd of January 2019. Many innovative ideas and works were executed through this platform, and also many laborers had benefited from it. Hence, on 2nd of January, the union would complete its glorious mark of 5 years. And to mark the occasion, National Labour Conference would be organized on the following day at Ru Samson Singh Ingti Memorial Park, Diphu.
Lapente, kewang ya sengkan kimia pan, anso se radeta pan kam ke klema tumhan kang thur ponji pusi nilitum foundation de kam Labour National Conference nilitum pado ponikpo pusi nilitum law and order permission and iketlo law and order permission granted lasi permission na lo nangi piya phana ko nilitum keng kam chi or tupo.
News Desk Report, Karbi Anglong Live. And that's all for today. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.